So this is the inferior view of the skull, and you can see some of the bones from the inferior view, and of course they're colored for learning purposes, but a natural skull, they won't be colored. This is actually the yellow bone, is the sphenoid bone, and these are pterygoid plates on each side. The whole thing is called the pterygoid process. Each process is divided into a lateral pterygoid plate and a medial pterygoid plate. And on these bony features, these are actually, they serve as attachments of the a couple of the muscles of mastication. From the inferior view, you can also see foramen ovale. Foramen ovale. So foramen ovale transmits the trigeminal nerve. You can see foramen spinosum. So make sure that you look at the skull from the inferior view as well. I did mention this when we were looking at the cranial fossa, but this is foramen lacerum, and in life, in a natural skull in life, this is actually covered by a piece of cartilage. This opening is the carotid canal through which the internal carotid arteries travel up. So carotid canal. And then this projection, these are the styloid processes. And then you can review, these are the mastoid processes. This opening is the jugular foramen. And then this is the foramen magnum. While I have this skull here, let me just mention this is the external occipital protuberance. And then, you know, there are lines that are for attachment of some of the muscles. So this is the superior nuchal line and inferior nuchal line, external occipital protuberance that actually serves an attachment for trapezius.